Smile, guys. Cheese. You're taking pictures. Yeah. Oh.
I heard it was somebody's birthday.
We found Uyanda, Free Methodist Church. She's here to get a gift for Uyanda, Free Methodist Church. Uyanda's gift, Free Methodist Church. She's here. Thank you so much, Mama. Yes, happy birthday, everybody! Let's go! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Come on now! Come on now! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! How we doing over there? We hope you're enjoying your day, darling. You're gonna go down and you're gonna go and cut the cake. While you're cutting the cake, we're gonna sing Happy Birthday once again. Can you all go down now? I think we're down in the pictures, eh? So we're coming down to cut the cake. Yeah! What a beautiful cake. I'm sure it's...
About you, you were right in front of me. In a righteous time, and my eyes on me. With a heart I can't deny. I can't believe I'm trying, but I see this is true. They want my heart is beating fast down. I'm too heavy on my soul. I've been winding up with mama in the sea.
Free Methodist Church, Uyanda Mweli, Free Methodist Church. Othandiwe Ndumo, Children's Sector. Othandiwe Ndumo. What time do you want to do more? Children's sector. What time do you want to do more? Take my hand, my tears, lift me in my eyes. You know you stopped me, and now I'm there to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. You make me wanna cry. And now I'm there to see you dance just one more time. Well, they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before.
Singaya uma sisuka kuwe, singashona uma sisuka kuwe. So